Hello everyone, my name is Tony Correa and today we're going to be talking about Hubspot. Well, as you can see, Hubspot is a platform for marketing solutions, yes? So you are going to get started with Hubspot, whether you want to increase your leads, accelerate your sales, or simplify your process. Hubspot has a solution to help you grow. Okay guys, so don't forget that I'm going to be dropping my links down below for you to grab a big discount, and also you're going to get a big demo if you subscribe under my link. So we continue here. Marketing Hub. Grow your traffic, convert leads, and improve ROI with all-in-one marketing software. Yes? All the tools you need to run a complete inbound marketing campaign. Yes, guys? So also the guys from Hubspot have Sales Hub. Close more deals faster with a suite of productivity boosting tools for every part of your process. A full suite of sales tools for your whole team to shorten deal cycles and increase close rates. Yes, don't forget that you are going also to get a free demo if you ever want to subscribe with the guys from Hubspot. Yes, what service, additional service does Hubspot offer? They offer the Service Hub, connect with customers and exceed their expectation, turn happy customers into growth. Yes, all the tools you need to build an organization and efficiency in your customer service team. Also, the guys from HubSpot, they offer the CMS Hub. In this case, you are going to create, edit, and maintain a more secure and optimized website with or without a developer. Yes, everything you need to build a powerful website that's easy to update and grows with you. In all these cases, you guys are going to get a free demo. So, for example, if you want to start with the Marketing Hub, you just click where it says Get Demo, and you fill in blanks. For example, I'm gonna put here Tony, last name Correa, email Tony123456. Yes. Oh, okay. Like this. This is my email. Yes. And gmail.com, for example, right? And after this, my phone number. Yes. I'm gonna put my phone number here. For example, yes, this. In this case, you are going to fill the blanks with your real phone number, company name, for example, ESPN Hosts is my company, and also espnhost.com is my website URL. How many employees were there? I'm going to put, for example, if it's for personal use, just one, or if it's more than one, obviously 2 to 5, and so on, right? In this case, it's just for personal use in my case, and subscribe to HubSpot marketing blog. In this case, you are going to be subscribing for free, and you are going to get a free demo with the guys with HubSpot. Yes, guys. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Don't forget that I'm going to be dropping my links down below for you to grab a big discount when it comes to HubSpot. Thank you for watching my video.